Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll show you how to wrap text into 3D shape. So let's get started. This is my artboard and select the star tool. Create one star. Just hold and drag. And now align it in center. And fill the color. Navy blue color. And now remove the strokes. Make a copy of it by hit Ctrl C and paste by Ctrl V and drag this shape here and select text tool and here type shine SHINE and increase the size of it 72 pt and make it bold and change the font. Here I am choosing minion variable concept 16 and drag this text over the shape and send it to back by clicking right and click on arrange. Then select both and go to object panel, click envelope distort, then click make with top object. And now drag this shape over the text and send the shape to back and click on the text area and make it smaller a bit by holding shift and set it in middle. And now drag this text beside and click Ctrl V and put this shape on the existing one and move this shape upward with the help of your keyboard. Now select both shapes and go to object, click blend and blend options. Here choose specified steps and 400. Hit OK and again go to object, blend and make. And now drag this text area onto the shape and select the shape and send it to back. Now select any shape and select gradient tool. Change the colors orange and yellow and adjust the colors. Now select the text part, go to object, then expand, hit OK and select eyedropper tool. Then click on the gradient star. Now delete this star and select the whole part, make a group of it. Okay, now align them. Now take a rectangle tool and create background holding shift Now change it to radial gradient. Select gradient tool. Click on rectangle and play with the colors, and in the middle I am choosing white and here I am choosing purple color. Then send this rectangle to back and adjust the gradient and gradient up here. Use this gradient as a highlight of our shape. Now increase the size of this shape a bit and align them, and again gradient tool and set this gradient here. Now Ctrl V, click Ctrl V and increase the size of this shape a bit. Move down and make it wider. Stretch the edges. And now select the shadow, go to opacity, then change it to normal to multiply, and now send it to back and click on rectangle and send rectangle to back. Now select this shadow and go to effect, then blur and then radial blur and set amount to 59 and blur method to zoom, quality best, hit OK. Okay, now select the shadow and change the color to black and reduce the opacity to 64. Now select the main shape and go to effect, then select stylize and outer glow and change the color to white. Hit OK. Screen 75%, then OK. And now select ellipse tool and for the color select gradient effect and create small ellipse in different sizes. And here it is complete. Well, that's all for today. Hope you have liked this video, and if you did, also if you want to hear from me again, be sure to hit the subscribe button, share, like, comment, and the most important thing, hit the notification bell to get latest video updates. Till the time, take care and stay safe. Bye bye guys.